Now we are going to talk about the various cases that are present in a sentence. Usually we have three cases of a noun. For example, in a sentence there are two or three nouns. Yes, we can classify them on the basis of various cases. For example, we have three cases. First is nominative, then objective and possessive. Now, what is a nominative case? Nominative case is that noun or that pronoun that is used as a subject in a particular sentence. For example, let's see, you'll be able to understand with example. Rahul drove the car. Here, what is the subject? Rahul. Okay, who is doing the action? What is the action going on? Driving, drove. Yes, and who is doing that action? Rahul is doing that action. So, Rahul is in the nominative case. Yes. Now what is the objective case? You can also see one more example. Kiran kicked the ball. Now who kicked the ball? Kiran. Yes, so Kiran is nominative case. Now what is objective case? This word is telling us object. So the noun or pronoun that is used as the object in a sentence, or you can also say any word, any noun on which subject is doing something. Like here, Rahul is driving. What he is driving? He is driving the car. So what is the object here? The car. So the car will be in objective case. Kiran kicked the ball. Now what Kiran kicked? She kicked the ball. So the ball is in objective case. Okay, this way you can classify them, nominative and objective. It's very simple. Nominative is simply the subject of the noun of the sentence, while on which the subject is doing something is the objective case. So the third case is possessive case. You can always see this case with apostrophe s. You know what is the meaning of possessive? Possessive means which shows possession or ownership. It means that anything that belongs to someone, that is called possessive case. It shows possession or ownership, and it is formed. How can you form possessive case? By adding s to the noun. Like for example, book of Riya. So this book of Riya means that this book is of Riya only. How can you form its possessive case? Riya's book. You can add this apostrophe s to the noun, subject Riya's book. Okay. If the noun is plural, now sometimes what happens, the noun that is given to us is in plural form only. Or you can also say that nominative case is given to us in plural form. Like here, bags of girls. If girl is written, it would have been very simple, girl, apostrophe s and bags. But here what is written? Girls. Already the girls word is in plural. So how will you form it? Girls. Now here we are not going to put any extra s. You can only simply put apostrophe after the word s and bags. Girls, bags. Now there are some nouns that end with s. Here also we only add apostrophes. We don't add s over here. Like coffee of the boss. See, the word boss is already ending with s. So what we are going to do? Boss and then apostrophe coffee. Boss, coffee. Poems of Yeats. Yeats is a name. It's looking like it is plural, but actually Yeats, it's a name. So what we are going to do? Yeats. We are not going to put any additional s. Just after s we are going to put apostrophe poems. So this means this is Yeats poems means that these poems are of Yeats. Or the coffee of the boss means coffee of boss. Yes. So in this way you can change simple nouns into the possessive case. So we have studied three cases: nominative, which is actually the subject of the verb, then objective, on which subject is doing something, any object, that is objective case, and possessive is that shows the possession or ownership of one noun to the other noun.